There's a rule that shapes the universe, quiet as a thought, a force that pulls on everything, stronger when you've got more mass in your corner, more weight in your name. That's gravity in motion, never loud but never tame. It's why an apple falls, why the planets spin, why the smallest grain of dust is drawn right in. Mass makes the pull and the pull makes the dance. The universe moves because nothing stands a chance. Gravity, the weight that shapes the stars, gathering the pieces into who they are. From drifting dust to a fire burning bright, a silent force assembling all the light. Gravity, where every story starts, the quiet hand that builds a billion hearts. Draw it in, pull it all inside. Pressure climbs higher, heat begins to soar. That's how every newborn star starts burning at its core. Mass pulls mass and the shape appears, patterns carved across 1,000 years. Every orbit, every rise and fall, gravity writes the blueprint for it all. Gravity, the weight that shapes the stars, gathering the pieces into who they are. From drifting dust to a fire burning bright, a silent force assembling all the light. Gravity, where every story starts, the quiet hand that builds a billion hearts. Something starts to form, not by chance but by a pull that's patient, soft and warm. Every spark we've ever seen, near or far, was lifted from the void by the weight that shapes the stars. Gravity, the weight that shapes the stars, gathering the pieces into who they are. From drifting dust to a fire burning bright, a silent force assembling all the